welcome back to another video. Today we are in Port Aransas, Texas, and we're gonna do some saltwater fishing. Right now I'm at the house that we rented, and I just wanted to show you all the backyard. It is so cute. And they have this sign that I think is so adorable. A bad day of fishing is better than a good day of working. I actually love that. So obviously the goal is to catch fish, but we have a little something special. My boyfriend just picked up the Guggen Squad Hook and Cook bucket, so hopefully we get the opportunity to try it and see how it goes. See you guys there. We made it here to the ocean. We're gonna try out some of these baits that we got. Let me just show you really quick all of our baits. And we're just gonna try them out today. Just see, if we get any bites. It's getting kind of late, so I might have not have the best lighting. But we're gonna try it out, try to catch some fish. So as you can see, I'm all wet. But yeah, so we went out there, we really couldn't see, so lesson learned. If you're gonna fish in the dark, make sure you have a headlamp. Also, some people had said that they had seen some sharks, and I don't know about you guys, but fishing in dark water and you can't see a thing and there's sharks, not a great idea. So we'll be back tomorrow. After a long day of fishing, it always is good to finish with some ice cream. Okay, so it's the next day, and right now we are currently on our way to the bait shop to pick up some shrimp. I don't know if we're gonna get live or dead yet. We'll see when we get there, but yeah. We have made it to the jetties. We are out here pretty far out, and we're gonna start fishing. It's really beautiful outside. It's very, very hot. I put on some sunscreen because the Texas sun can be brutal. So we're gonna start fishing. See if we can catch some big ones. Yay! Caught him on a...
Shout out Guggen Squad.
Got him on a little stream. So this is us trying to free a bird that Richard accidentally got caught in. The bird flew in out of nowhere and got all tangled up in the line. So we stopped recording because we needed a little bit extra help, but don't worry, the bird eventually flew off perfectly fine. The bird even got to bite Richard as punishment for catching him. Okay, so we just got back from a long day. We had a great time on the jetties. We realized we weren't catching any big fish. Not a lot of people were having a lot of luck. So we decided to switch over to some smaller fish, and we actually caught some. So we are gonna be able to use the Hook and Cook bucket. These are all of the fish that we ended up getting. So we're gonna fillet them up. I have actually never filleted a fish before, so this is gonna be my first time filleting a fish. Let's see how it goes. Okay, now I'm gonna fillet the fish. Just a disclaimer, this is my first time, so if I don't do it correctly, I'm sorry. This isn't our actual dinner, this is kind of just like a little appetizer. So I'll bring you in closer so you can see what I'm doing. So first I'm gonna go behind this little fin and I'm gonna kind of cut at a diagonal. There we go. I'm gonna slice down the belly. Like that. Now I'm going to try to get this top fillet off. And I'm gonna search for the bone and cut right above it. Okay. So my cut wasn't the best, but we're making little fish nuggets, so we cut off a little piece over here. You can see. But now I'm going to try to skin this fish. So I'm gonna try to get as close as possible. Ta-da! Okay, so we're gonna try to get on the other side. Now, don't worry because I have someone who's a little bit more of an expert getting all of the meat that I miss. So, we're getting all of it. Now I'm just gonna finish filleting the rest of these. Well, he's gonna finish filleting the rest of these. And then we'll be back whenever we're ready to cook them. Okay, we're currently in the kitchen. We have a few stations set up. We have our little fish nuggets and egg wash. And right now we're currently crushing up some tortilla chips. Then we're gonna put some oil in the pan and fry them up. So we're gonna take our fish and put it in some eggs. Make sure you coat it real good. Then we're gonna put it in our tortilla chips. Make sure it's coated real nice. And then we're gonna put them on a plate. Now that our oil has heated up, we're gonna put our fish in there. Always lay away from you, just in case oil pops. And we'll put it in some other ones. And it smells really good. You don't want to crowd the pan, so we're just gonna do 4 pieces at a time. All right, I'm gonna flip it. Alrighty, they're all done. Okay, we're gonna taste them. Hopefully they taste good. I'm just gonna get a little nugget first. Okay, ready?
Cheers.
Not bad.
That's pretty good. Want some ketchup?
Ooh, with some ketchup. Very good. Now I'm gonna try it with some ketchup. 10 out of 10 would recommend catching and cooking your own fish. That is it for today's episode. If you enjoyed, please feel free to like and subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.